It all started with a simple sketch and a dream that felt almost impossible. It's about the courage to start. The path took early mornings and late where the struggle felt heavier than the stones I hoped to lay. But every setback was just a lesson. I learned to keep pushing forward. Slowly, the blueprint became reality. I wasn't just building a house, I was crafting my future. Under the golden sun, I saw the foundations of my hard work taking shape. Every effort and every sacrifice led to this single moment of pride and completion. It is more than a roof. It's a testament to never giving up. Sharing this space with those I love makes every hurdle faced completely worth it. Looking back, the most important thing I built wasn't the house, it was myself. Dream big, work hard, and one day you will stand exactly where you belong.
Your sacrifices today are just the line items on the plan. Success is the blueprint of your sacrifices. Every overnight success you see was drafted in late nights, missed weekends, and quiet no's to things that didn't matter. Build the blueprint, trust the process, and the finished structure will be worth every brick you gave up to lay. Keep building. Your blueprint is working. One day you will realize that your success is the only silent testimony of your hard work, struggles, and a painful perseverance. So dream big. Success is just somewhere down the road. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Gem of Property Specialist, and turn on notifications for more real estate tips and investment guides.